Welcome to Edits in Minutes. If you want to up your video editing game, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're talking all about video transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what exactly are video transitions? Transitions are visual effects that help you smoothly switch from one clip to another. They're essential for creating a cohesive and professional-looking video. Adobe Premiere Pro offers a wide variety of transitions to suit any project. Let's take a look at some of the most commonly used ones. Now, let's dive into Premiere Pro and see how to add a transition to your video. First, import your clips into the timeline. Go to the Effects panel on the right side of the screen. In the search bar, type the transition name you want to use, like Cross Dissolve. Drag the transition effect from the Effects panel onto the cut between two clips in your timeline. Adjust the duration of the transition by dragging its edges in the timeline. To fine-tune the transition, double-click on it and adjust the settings in the Effect Controls panel. Let's see how each of these transitions looks when applied. Notice how each one creates a different effect and mood for your video. And there you have it. A quick introduction to video transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro.